The purpose of this video is to show you how to effectively use the brand new Town of Plainfield smartphone app that can be downloaded on both iPhones and Androids for free. Go to your app store and type in Plainfield, Indiana or Town of Plainfield, and you will see the Plainfield logo. Once you have downloaded the app, follow me so that you can become familiar with the functions. The app home screen is the news feed, which you will find the most recent Town of Plainfield social media posts, pin notifications such as weather delays, road closures, or advisories. If you would like those sent to you as push notifications, you can go to the menu button here on the top right and click on Notifications, where you can decide whether you'd like to receive safety alerts, news, cancellations, or all the above as push notifications. Continuing on down the menu, you can access a town-wide calendar that has events like council meetings, planned commission meetings, Plainfield Police Department events, or town-wide events like heavy trash days. These can be viewed in a calendar view or a list view. There is also a recreation and events calendar, which has events held at Richard A. Carlucci Recreation and Aquatic Center, Sodales Park, and Hummel Park. You have the option of subscribing to both or either one of these calendars, which will allow those events to be on your master iPhone calendar. There is a town map which allows you to get directions to specific buildings and parks around Plainfield. The smartphone app has a web link section, which will take you to the Splash Island link, the Parks and Recreation link, Downtown Redevelopment link, several town-wide social media accounts, and the Department of Public Works contact page. A major task that you can use the app for is to pay your utility bill. When you click on Pay Utility Bill, you will be redirected to Plainfield Self-Service, where you will make an account or log into your current account and be able to pay your monthly utility bill right from your phone. The Parks and Recreation section has the swim schedule, aerobics schedule, and major event flyers for your reference. No more having to run to the rec center to find out the times of your next spin or Zumba class. You can find the trail map, facilities rental information, and parks guide under the Parks and Trails tab. To wrap up, when you go back to the newsfeed at the bottom, you will see quick links to the town's Facebook page, the town's Twitter feed, the town's website, and the town's map and town calendar. We hope this was useful, and we are extremely excited to roll out this resource to you all.